Welcome back to the Monday Money Makers channel, the channel where we help increase side hustles and get you out of that 9-to-5 job. Today we're going to be diving in the world of Instagram and uncovering 6 strategies for monetizing your Instagram account in 2024. Whether you are looking to become a full-time influencer or simply earn some extra income from your hobby, these tips are for you. Let's go ahead and get in there. The number one tip to make money on Instagram is affiliate marketing. Now I know affiliate marketing is over exaggerated and people talk about it too much, but affiliate marketing. So one of the methods that I talked about was affiliate marketing, and here I'm on Instagram. I'm already logged into my Instagram account here, and as you can see, there's different digital marketing, affiliate marketing accounts that I can actually reach out to when I go to message. And then when I click here to say, hey, can you refer me to some products that I can promote on my channel? Promote on my channel. And then when you type that in, they're going to respond to you and hopefully you get a message. And if that doesn't work, you can always find more affiliate marketing programs or affiliate marketing accounts to reach out to. They got so many different people that deals with that, so I'm sure you'll be able to find that. And that's for that one. Affiliate marketing. Marketing is a popular way for Instagram users to monetize and start earning money by participating with brands and promoting their products or services through affiliate links. You can earn a commission for every sale or referral generated through your link. We'll show you how to find the affiliate programs, create engaging content, and maximize your earnings. Another method of making money on Instagram is sponsor posts. Now for the sponsor posts, it's basically you reaching out to different brand accounts to see if you can collaborate with them or if they are willing to work with you. So for this one, if I'm in the money making channel niche or finance or money niche, I'm going to reach out to different brand partnership to see if they're willing to collaborate with me. So like for this one, I had to request this one, but under normal circumstances, if I'm in the money niche, I'm going to reach out to different brands, as you can see here. So that is how you want to approach it. And the same if you was like a sports channel, you would maybe reach out to different sports channels to see if they're willing to collaborate with you, if you can promote some of their products or you can talk about football in an engaging way. That's how you have to approach when you want to work for brands. So that's what sponsor posts is. So basically when I'm pretty much doing sponsor posts, I'm going to look for different brands to see if I can collaborate with them according to my own niche. And then once they accept me, then I can promote different products or different things on my Instagram, and then they will pay me a percentage or a commission. How many other people I promote to, promote their products to. So that's what sponsor posts is. Brands pay you to create content featuring their products or services and share it with your followers. We'll discuss how to attract brand partnerships, negotiate rates, and create sponsored content that resonates with your audience. Another way to make money is by selling your own products. Selling your own products is a great way to monetize your Instagram account, especially if you have a loyal following. Whether you are selling physical products like clothing or digital products like ebooks, we'll show you how to set up an online store, promote your products on Instagram, and drive sales. Another one is offer services. Offering services is another way to monetize your Instagram account. Whether you are a photographer, consultant, or fitness trainer, you can use Instagram to promote your services and attract clients. You can always go ahead and try to attract as many clients as you can, open up a shop and start promoting your services. Another one that people really don't pay attention to is IGTV Ads. IGTV Ads are a relatively new feature on Instagram that allows creators to earn money from their long form video content. So you can start creating videos on the IGTV, placing ads into the videos, and then they will get monetized. Instagram Live Badges is another feature that allows followers to purchase badges during your live stream as a way to support you. And then so there you have it. There's all the ways to monetize your Instagram account in 2024, from affiliate marketing to selling your own products. When you diversify your income streams and provide value to your audience, you can turn your Instagram presence into a profitable venture. Thanks for watching the Money Makers channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money making tips and online. Have a great day, Money Makers. Bye.